Hai a chairte. Níl me a déanamh fiseán faoi láthir cén fá. Tá mé tinn. Tá an gíomhre an inis. Tá mé tinn, tá slide an orm ó beidh Covid. Rinne mé trí hostile júltach ach níl is am. Caithfí mé fannacht le má chúpán té. Ach bé mé arás a ríist le fiseán faoi Rosnarún. Tá súil agam go raibh sibh go maith agus go bhfuil sibh go maith fós. Abribh lom a raibh Covid oribh. Cé go bhfuil mé tinn tá ná cant agam ó Rosnarún. Bernie is angry with Micheál, and she tells him not to talk to everyone about her business. In Irish, she says something quite different. It's an idiom. Ná bí a cant fum le madri an bhaile. Micheál says, Ní raibh mise a cant fút le madri an bhaile. I wasn't talking about you to the dogs of the town. It's summer hiatus, summer break now in Rosnarún, and I'm going to make a video when I'm well again about what to do over that break to keep up with your Irish if you use that program. You probably know already that you can find old episodes on YouTube. We'll talk some more about what's in them and what's in the current ones that you can review in the player. In the meantime, why not check out the other videos on my channel? There's an Irish playlist as well as others about language learning. See you in the next video.